Hi, I'm Quyen and I would like to be a Pathmaker intern as I am a pre-med student. I currently attend a community college here in San Diego, and I recently attended a pre-med conference that was held at UCSD that was specifically geared towards community college students. And in doing so is that most pre-med students, they enter universities directly. So at this conference, as a community college student, they encouraged us that we still can pursue the career path of becoming a physician. So at this conference, I was able to meet with a few medical students. And one of the medical students that I met, she was the one who actually told me about this Pathmaker program. And she told me that the amazing thing about this program was that she was able to gain hands-on clinical experience that most other internships do not provide. So with that said, I hope to learn and gain that hands-on experience before actually diving into the field myself. The first thing I would actually like to learn to gain from this program, is the simple things that go into the entire healthcare process of when you first seek healthcare treatment, so that we don't realize what we think are little things, but are actually very important. Is the beginning process that we go through before actually seeing the physician. It's actually the clinical and technical things that are done prior. And that's the part where you see medical staff, and where the medical staff goes over the patient's charts, assesses their history, assesses their treatment, sees what kind of treatment they need before actually seeing the physician themselves. And we don't realize how everything, all that information, all that data is recorded, and it's very important to make sure that we track the patient and make sure that treatment is carried out effectively. So that's definitely a skill set that I would like to learn, is that technical side of it. Second, I would like to learn about all the different departments of the hospital, of the healthcare setting. Is that there are many departments that I'm pretty sure, or I know I do not know about. Being that I'm not related to anyone who's in the healthcare field, there's so much that I do not know. And with this program, Pathmaker, as stated in the program, is that you get to go to these different departments, you get to work in different departments, and you get to experience these different departments. And pursuing a career as a physician, there are specialties that I have in mind, but being able to see the different departments may open different doors for me, possibly different fields that I have better skill sets in. Just knowing more is always better. And ultimately, the third thing I would like to gain from this program is building professional relationships and communication skills. Being in the hospital setting, there's just so many different departments, so many different things that go on that make the hospital run. And being able to have relationships with our peers professionally to help carry all the treatments, all the tasks out effectively is very important. And ultimately, communicating with patients is very important. I don't have experience in that, obviously.